Welcome to all. This is Dr.A.Franchina, Department of Geography, Nirmala College for Women, Coimbatore. We are going to see in this module on geographic coordinates. Without a reference point, it is impossible to describe a particular location. So, early map makers developed a grid system to assist them in locating known places. An example for grid system, this map which has lines. Today we are going to discuss about these lines only. Any location on earth is described by two numbers, its latitude and its longitude. The earth is divided into lots of lines called latitudes and longitudes. These are imaginary lines drawn on maps to easily locate places on the earth. Longitude lines runs north and south. Latitude lines run east and west. The line measures distance in degrees. Map shows latitudes, longitudes and its degrees. Latitude. Latitude is a distance north or south of the equator. These lines are also called parallels because they do not touch, and it runs horizontally. The equator is 0 degree. The North Pole is 90 degree N latitudes and South Pole is 90 degree S latitudes. Where is 0 degree latitude? Equator is a 0 degree latitude. It is an imaginary belt that runs halfway points between North Pole and South Pole. Longitudes, distance east or west of the prime meridian. Lines of longitudes run vertically and they are also called meridians. The prime meridian is 0 degree longitude and it is found in Greenwich, England. Lines of longitude located places east or west of the prime meridian. There are 180 degree of east longitude and 180 degree of west longitudes. Where is 0 degree of longitude? The prime meridian is 0 degree of longitudes. This imaginary line runs through the United Kingdom, France, Spain, Western Africa and Antarctica. The prime meridian 0 degree and the 180 degree lines divided the earth into two parts. One is Western Hemisphere. Places located west of the prime meridian have a west longitude addresses. Next one, Eastern Hemisphere. Places located east of the prime meridian have a east longitude addresses. Longitude and latitude have been divided into degree, minute and seconds. There are 60 minutes in each degree. Each minute is divided into 60 seconds. With the help of these calculations, Each degree of latitude is divided into 60 minutes and each minute is divided into 60 seconds, so that the latitude 90 degree and 90 degrees south we are getting. Sometimes this is called as true of longitude. The earth is divided into 360 equal slices, that is meridians, 180 degree west and 180 degree east. This 180 degree west and 180 degree east of the prime meridian, which helps to get the directions, and each degree we will be calculating time. So with the help of latitudes and longitudes, that is equator and prime meridian, we can divide the entire earth into northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere and then western hemisphere. Based on equator, we are dividing earth into north and south. Based on prime meridian, we are dividing east and west. The direction which explains the N tells us where we are north of the equator, and the S tells us where we are south of the equator, and the E tells us where we are east of the prime meridian, and W tells us where we are west of the prime meridian. With these latitudes and longitudes is called as geographic coordinates. So geographic coordinates is one of the important map element. A map means it should have 5 basic elements, that is title, north arrow, geographic coordinates, scale and legend. So geographic coordinate is an important element. Without latitude and longitude we cannot prepare map. Based on these latitude and longitude, we can calculate time, distance, and even we can identify the direction. Thank you for watching this video.